Installing an outdoor gas fire pit has never been easier. The Bronson gas fire pit from the Outdoor GreatRoom Company comes with all the materials you need to create your own stunning round or square outdoor gas fire pit. The Bronson is available in either a round or square configuration. It uses OGC's Crystal Fire Plus 28-inch round burner with 105,000 BTUs of flame and comfort, surrounded by durable and stylish traditional landscape block. It includes all the necessary controls and vents to easily install and operate your fire pit safely. Have your local contractor install this for you, or just do it yourself. Here's how it works. Step 1 is to choose the location of your fire pit. This can be an area out in the yard, a patio, or even a deck. Clearance to combustible materials for this burner are 24 inches to the side, 4 inches below the burner, and 72 inches above the burner. This means you can even install this fire pit on combustible decking. The outside dimensions of the Bronson are shown here. Make sure to allow sufficient space surrounding the fire pit for your seating and movement. Step 2 is to level the surface and make sure the surface allows for drainage. If installing this on the ground itself is often permeable enough to drain the water sufficiently. If installing on a slab or pavers, you may want to install a drain or means for any water that might build up internally to drain or flow to the edge of the patio. Step 3 is to install a gas line. This 105,000 BTU burner is not designed to work with the smaller 20-pound grill tanks, so you will either need to hard plumb this to a larger propane tank or to natural gas from your home. Note, it is very important you have the correct gas flow and pressure to assure your flame is at its maximum. Licensed gas plumbers will have tables that tell them how large of a gas line to run based on BTUs, length of the gas runs, and the number of elbows and fittings. Failure to properly size this gas line will result in lower than desired flames. Step 4 is to take delivery and start the installation process. For your convenience, the Bronson ships on one pallet with all the materials you need. Unpackage the contents. You should have the following: 1 burner kit, 1 burner plate, 2 vent blocks, a Bronson control panel assembly, tumble lava rock, and all of the necessary landscape blocks. Follow the instructions to put your first course in place, making sure each block is level and secure. Depending on how permanent you desire the structure to be, you might elect to use outdoor construction adhesive to secure the blocks to the patio surface. Add the second layer on top of the first, making sure to offset each brick on the ones below. On this layer, plan out and install the vents across from each other in place of 2 of the blocks. Depending on how permanent you desire the structure to be, you might elect to again use outdoor construction adhesive to secure the blocks to one another. On the third layer, plan out the location of the control panel and set it in place within the third layer of the blocks. Before adding the last course of blocks, lay and center the burner plate on the third course of block. There's a small notch in the plate for the burner electrode system. Make sure this notch is located on the same side as the control panel. Reference your installation manual to have a qualified plumber install and connect the burner to your gas line, making sure again the electrode side of the burner lines up with the notch in the burner plate. Add the 4th layer of block and the base structure is complete. If you have the round Bronson, you may also add the top capstones at this point. The top capstones are only available as an option for the round Bronson kit and create a smooth and deeper ledge for the fire pit. Note, if using the optional top ledge, you can elect to install or raise the burner and plate between the last course of block and the top of the ledge stone. This brings the flame closer to the top of the fire pit. Also, the Bronson includes enough block for 4 layers. If you desire a shorter fire pit, simply remove a layer. Spread the tumbled lava rock evenly over the entire burner and pan, making sure not to get any of the lava rocks into the burner's wind guard area as shown here. And that's it. Your installation is complete. Click on the Support tab at OutdoorRooms.com for helpful video instructions on lighting and servicing your Crystal Fire Plus burner.